Another tumble drawer review. At the Indesit 7kg B class. Indesit IDV75. It was made in Italy, in UK. Oh, look at the 7kg drum. Dude, it's the filter down there. It has vintage truck with belt on. So anyways, let's look at the pro. Yeah, standard cotton, synthetics, and acrylics. High heat selection. High heat and low heat. The timer has maximum 120 minutes, 110 minutes, 110, 100 minutes, 20 minutes, 80 minutes, 60 minutes, 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, 12 minutes, 20 minutes, refreshing for 10 minutes, and that's fine. So we have one standard cotton. Here's a B class rated. That should be a quick review. That is your time.